So we're just here at Rawton Airfield testing the sound insulation of various refugee shelters. You can see there's many different designs. This one's particularly interesting because it's all designed to fold up into a single sort of layer. So that's it when it's folded up, and then it unfolds into the building. And we can see inside all the bits are connected by these hinges, and it all would fold up onto this central wall here, and it just all the bits drop out into place. So we've just been doing sound insulation. This one's obviously rubbish because it's just really thin plywood. So the other designs there's this one which is quite substantial and like a proper house. Then there's that sort of one that looks like a Nissen hut. Yeah, there's this one, I've just tested the fold up one. There's a straw bale one. There's one that's like a plastic garden shed, and then one that's like a tensile tent structure, and then there's one way over that way which is like made of recycled plastic. So I'm just doing my sound test of the last shelter, the better shelter. You can see the microphone and the loudspeaker, and I can turn the noise on, which is like called pink noise, which is equal energy with different frequency bands.